So here we're going to have a look at how we can embed a recorded Zoom video. So it could be a lecture recording or a meeting recording into your Moodle course or into your LMS. The process will be very similar. So we're going to jump into Zoom first of all. And essentially in Zoom, you're looking for your recordings and transcripts across on the left-hand side. Now in here, there's really two options for getting those videos into your learning management system, in this case, Moodle. The first option is to use the share button here. And so from the share button, we can copy this shareable link. Now this will not embed it within your Moodle course. It will actually just kind of provide a link to that video. So we'll come back to Moodle. We're going to add an activity or resource in week 1 here. And then once we're in here, we're going to come to our resources and we're going to go to URL, type in a name for this video, and then we will paste in the external URL. So once that's pasted in, then we can come down and go to save and return to course. And you'll see you have a link to your lecture recording. When we click on that, it's going to open up your lecture recording. So when we play this through, it's going to show the closed captioning of that video, and that will be good for accessibility within your course. We'll close this tab that we opened up here. The other option is to download and embed that video within your LMS. So in this case, we'll be using Kaltura to embed our video. So we'll close this. Once we're in our recordings and transcripts, we'll come across the right. Instead of clicking the share button, we're going to click these 3 little dots and we are going to download those 3 files. Now, if you're recording to your computer, those files will already be downloaded and you can find those in the Zoom folder on your computer. We'll click download here for these 3 files. So you can see my MPEG-4 file has downloaded, and now we can jump into Moodle and upload that. So we'll come down to the same week 1 option here, and we're going to add it using the add activity or resource option here, but you can also jump into My Media to upload it to your My Media folder within Kaltura if you're not sure where that video is going to go yet. We know that it's going to go in here, so we'll click add an activity or resource, and we can use the Kaltura video resource button here, or we can use the text and media area, which is my preferred option. So if we click here, within that text and media area, we can use the Kaltura button across to the right. And then once we're in here, we can click add new, and we're going to do a media upload. And then we're going to choose a file to upload from our downloads folder. You can see those are the 3 files, the audio recording, the transcript of my video, and then the video file with .mp4 at the end. We'll click upload, and now that will upload to Kaltura. This is a smaller video, not a very long video. We'll rename this week 1 lecture recording, and then you can see we can add a description, we can add tags to that video, and we'll click the save and embed button up at the top right. Now what that will do is it will put this little link within our text and media frame, but when we come down to the bottom and click save and return to course, this will take a little while to transcode, but once it's done, then you will get your video embedded right inside your Moodle page, which I think is quite nice. It also means that we don't need to rely on that link to Zoom. This won't have the closed captioning immediately, but those will pop up within 24 hours normally. I've seen them pop up within Kaltura. So this is how to get videos from Zoom into your learning management system or into Moodle in this case. And the process will be very similar for other learning management systems as well, especially if they're using Kaltura to embed videos into your courses. Hopefully this is helpful. If you do have any questions, then please do get in touch.